Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a review on this lip gloss. It's like a glitter lip gloss that I got from eBay. I know a while back, I believe like earlier this year or last year, it was something that was really like in everybody's hand. Every makeup artist or YouTubers had it. They were all using it. It was like glitter lipstick, glitter lipstick, glitter lipstick, glitter lipstick, glitter lipstick. It was just everywhere. So I got a different brand from eBay. You know, I'm an avid online shopper and I also like to shop for things that I can compare, maybe dupes or something that are lower prices but you know, good quality. So I found this brand. It came like this from on the mail, and of course I already ripped it out open, and it came from this brand called Niceface. I ordered literally, I think I ordered like all of it, like all the colors, and it came separately. However, I just put them in one box. So I ordered all these colors and we are going to try it. So this is number 14, number 16, number 17, number 15, and number 18. So I'm gonna swatch them and kind of show you guys the color and how it looks on my skin tone, and then I'm gonna tell you guys how it feels and you know what I think about it. So anyway, let's start with number 14, and I'm gonna open it up. I really like the box. It's really a nice cute box, and you just open it right there. It has the brand name, and then it has the product licensing number and all that information right here on the side, and then on this side I believe that's where it has ingredients. So I like how it has a number outside, so that way you can compare on eBay what color came, because there are sometimes they don't have the colors at all and then you have to open it and guess. So when you open it up, this is what I get. Look at how gorgeous that bottle and that color is. Look at this. It's definitely a mini bottle, but it is so cute. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand as well as on my lips. When you open it, that's how it looks. This is definitely a travel size approved. I love this. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like buttercup. So let me swatch it. So here is the swatch. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Look at that. It is so pretty, like literally on one swatch. It is thick, it is creamy, it feels thick, it feels creamy, it looks thick, like it is. So let me go ahead and apply this. Oh no. I don't know if you see that. Maybe because I didn't let it dry. Maybe I need to let it dry and then try that again. But so far it looks chappy. You definitely have to keep on applying just to get the product. Okay, taking that off was difficult as hell. Like, I need me some water. Okay, that was difficult. That was really hard taking that shit off. Okay, so on to the next one. The next one is number 15. And that's how it looks like. The bottle is very cute. Like, I really like it, and it has their name on the bottle. When you open it, that's how it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it, and it smells really good. It's really nice, really nice. It's more of a shimmer than a glitter.
It's Chris with the yeah, baby, cool the temper. Baby, no.
I'm gonna try number 16.
Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy. Baby, cool the temper. Baby, no debates. Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy. Baby, migrate. Come to my place. I get the high grade. Make you no late. Hey, baby, migrate. Come to my place. I get the high grade. Make you no late. Baby, let's have a good time. Touch me, I touch you time. Do me, I do you time. Baby, just make me feel fine. Baby, let's have a good time.
that was like a really hard swatch. Like, okay, so now I'm gonna kind of give you a little, you know, tea with the lip swatches that I just did. Yeah, so this one that I'm wearing is number 18, and it happens to actually be kind of like my favorite of all. And I line it up with a black eye pencil. It's kind of looking horrible right now because, you know. So these are the swatches. This is number 18. This is number 17, this is number 16, this is number 15, and this is number 14. So one thing that I do notice is that I'm going to wipe my hands a little bit because it's all glittery. Still got glitters in my hand. When it dries up and you rub it, it literally doesn't come off. Like when you rub it, it doesn't come off. That's one thing I noticed about it. Like it really dries on matte. However, on my lips right now, this is not actually really dried up yet. So when I touch it, it still feels sticky. So when it's not dried up and you do your mouth like that, it will feel sticky in your mouth. It does feel a little heavy. That's on the downside. And also when you're applying the lipstick, just make sure you apply it evenly and smoothly and gently as much as possible so you can get an even distribution. If you don't do that, if you don't get an even distribution, you're gonna see that it comes up choppy and like crumbly. So that's one thing you wanna try to avoid. But that's a lot to do for a lip product, like seriously. But apart from that, I do like the pigmentation. I think is really pigmented. It's also creamy. When you swatch it, really swatch really nicely. I don't like the fact that they are not diverse. I feel like the colors are almost similar, but my favorite colors are number 18 and number 17. That I feel like that's like the most diverse. Everything else is kind of the same. I think it's kind of a little bit expensive for the product. It's literally a lip gloss with like shimmer. It's really not that serious. From a scale from 1 to 5, I'll probably give this, I'm just gonna give it a 3. How about that? I'm just gonna give this a 3 out of 5. This is it for this video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.